Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the all-new MOES new ZigBee Smart DIY Motorized Roller Blinds/Shades Drive Motor Hub. This is a game changer, folks, and you definitely don't want to miss out on this one. But before we dive into all the amazing features of this product, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications, so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's get into why this smart motorized roller blinds/shades drive motor is an absolute must-have for your home. First of all, it's fully compatible with the Tuya Smart Life app, Alexa, and Google Home for seamless voice control. Just imagine the convenience of being able to adjust your blinds with a simple voice command. It's like something straight out of the future. Not only that, but this motor also allows you to set custom schedules and timers for your blinds, so you can have them open and close exactly when you want them to. And the best part? You can do all of this remotely, whether you're in bed, on the couch, or even away from home. It's all made possible with the ZigBee hub that comes with the motor. But that's not all. This motor features an easy installation process, so you won't need any professional help or fancy tools to set it up. Plus, it's equipped with a powerful battery that ensures long-lasting performance and low power consumption, saving you both money and energy in the long run. With all these incredible features, it's clear that the MOES new ZigBee Smart DIY Motorized Roller Blinds/Shades Drive Motor Hub is a game-changing addition to any smart home setup. And the best part is, you can get your hands on it right now at an exclusive discount. Just check out the link in the description below to grab yours today. Trust me, once you experience the convenience and control that this motor brings to your home, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So don't wait any longer, click that link and take your first step towards a smarter, more efficient home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.